walk and go with your bike on this bridge. On the left side, there's like a path for people to walk and stuff. On the right also you can, but usually I see more people on the left. Factory, or what it used to be. The island, when you go right, Saint-Lin, where there's the F1 going there, the racetrack, Circuit Gilles Villeneuve. And the attraction park I was talking to you guys about is also on that island. Kind of sucks because Circuit Gilles Villeneuve is like well placed for car people and to bring people in, but sadly when there's no like F1 races, it's mostly a cycling, just a place to jog or ride your bike in, so that's kind of boring. There's no actual race or anything besides the F1 over there, so it's kind of sucks. It would be cool if there was like car events and stuff over there, but it's not really what they did with this, sadly. But anyway, I think residents around would complain about it because we already have, like, when there's the F1, we used to get a lot of complaints because of the sound and the noise and stuff. But now it's like the F1 cars are a lot quieter, so I think it's less of a problem.